Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. My name is Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And my dear students, this online session is for the class 2. I hope that after Diwali vacation you come back to the study. We all enjoy our holidays, we enjoy Diwali holidays. So now it's time to study, it's time to look back in the study, right students? So as you know that before we begin our lecture, I am showing you always one quote. So today also I am showing you one quote first. So here is the quote, you can see on the screen that just keep moving. What it means? You can see in the back that water are coming and go, come and go, come and go. That's why you have to just keep moving. You no need to stop. In the holidays, we stop our studies, right? We just enjoy the vacation days. But now the vacation days are over. So we have to just keep moving. In which direction? In the study. We have to move in the study field. You are not coming to school, but you have to continue your study this way. You can see the water, it's not stop, it's continuously moving. So that's why you have to move to your study. So students, let's start the study, and you have to just keep moving on. Okay. So in the previous lecture I am telling you it's a chapter number 8, but it was a by mistake. This is a chapter number 9. Chapter number 8 was that multiplication further exploring. That was the name of this chapter. But here we are going to start the chapter number 9. And the name of this chapter is shapes and patterns. So this chapter is very easy. No any calculation will come, no any tables need in this, no any hard sum will come in this chapter. This chapter is the easiest chapter of the whole book. This is very easy chapter for you, and you will enjoy this chapter because all the shapes and patterns will come. We are going to learn more about the shapes. We are just knowing that this is a triangle, this is a square, but we are not knowing more about the shapes. So in this chapter we are going to learn more about shapes. Here you can see I am showing you some pictures of the shapes. Here is the shapes. You can see here this is an oval, triangle, square, some stars are there, you can see. And in this picture you can see different pictures are there in the one picture. You can see here. So in this chapter we are going to learn more in detail about the shapes and patterns also. So first of all we are taking the shapes, and after knowing about the shapes we can move to the pattern. So first of all let's complete the shapes first. So as you know that we are always do revision of the previous lecture. So if any students have any doubt regarding any topic that I explained in the previous lecture, so it will cover in today's lecture, and then we will move to the new topic. So as per we are doing revision, let's start the revision of the previous lecture. In short, let's start now. So first of all we had learned about that looking back, that what you are learned in the first standard about the shapes. So first of all in the first standard you are just learning just basic shapes are there. So you can see the picture that which shape is this? Can you identify which shape is this? Yes, this is the circle shape. Which shape is it? Is it a circle shape, right? And this is very basic shape. Now the next one, here you can see one picture, one shape which is purple in color. So what you can call it, which shape it is? It is a square shape. You have to learn the spelling also, learn and write the spelling also with the shape also. So you will be better understood what is the spelling of this shape and what you can call it. So this is the square shape, and you can also see the spelling of the particular shape. Now the next one, you can see in the light pink color the shape is. So have you any idea regarding this shape, that which shape it is? So it is a rectangle shape, and here the spelling of the rectangle, and you have to learn and write the spelling of each and every shapes. It is very important to you all to know the correct spelling of the correct shape. This is the rectangle. Now the next shape is this. Can you identify which shape is this? Have you any idea? So you can speak the name of this shape, then I will say you it is right or wrong. So which students are saying this is a circle, that's a wrong answer, and those students who are saying this is an oval, that's a right answer. It's an oval shape. Which shape it is? It's an oval shape. Now the next one, this is very easy students, and you all know this shape very well. So this is a triangle shape. Right students, this is very easy shapes, and this all are the basic shapes are there. Now let's do one activity, so you will be better understood this. Color, you can see, I will just read the heading first. Color all the rectangle shapes in orange color. We have to identify where is the rectangle shape, and we have to color it in orange, right? So first of all, in the row number 1, this is the star shape. It is rectangle. Yes, it is rectangle. So let's color it orange. Next shape is, it is rectangle. No, it's a heart shape. So we will not color it. Then it's a rectangle. Yes, it is. Let's color it orange. Next one, color all the oval shapes green. So whenever you find it's an oval shape, we have to color it green. So this shape is an oval. Yes, it's a oval shape. So let's color it green. You can see I color it green. Then this one, this is a oval. No, it's not an oval. Here, this is an oval. Yes, it is an oval. So let's color it green. Then the next one, it's a circle, it's not an oval, right? Then the next one, color all the heart shapes red. So let's find the heart shapes and color it red. It's a heart shape? Yes, so color it red. Here is the next shape, which is star. It's not a heart shape. Next one, it's a heart shape? No, it's also not a heart shape. Then the next one, is it heart shape? Yes, it is. So let's color it red. Next one, color all the circle shapes pink. So whenever we find the circle shape, we have to color it pink. Here is a triangle shape. We are not coloring it. This is the circle. Yes, it is. Let's color it pink. Next one, it is circle. Yes, let's color it. Next shape, it's a heart shape. We will not color it. Then the next one, color all the triangle shapes blue. Whenever you find this triangle, we have to color it blue. So first shape is a star, so we will not color it. Next one is a triangle, so let's color it blue. Next is an oval, we will not color it. And the last one is a triangle, we will color it blue. So this way we have to complete this worksheet. It's a very easy. Now let's match the correct shape name. So first of all, which shape it is? You can see this, it's a sphere. Let's match with its proper spelling. Now the next one, which shape it is? Here is the shape. This is a cube shape. So we have to match it with cube. Then the next one, which shape it is? It's look like a cone. So it is a cone shape. Then the next one, which shape it is? It's a cuboid. So we have to match it with cuboid. Then the next one, which shape it is? It's looking like a cylinder. So we can match with the cylinder shape. And the last one, it's a look like a pyramid. So let's match with the pyramid shape. This way we have to just match the proper shape with its name, right? Let's learn about some solid shapes, but before let's see some. Can you identify what is this, which thing it is? So students, this is a cuboid. You can identify this as a cuboid and you can call it a solid shapes. I am showing you the solid shapes. It looks like this way and you can also call this cuboid. Right. Now the next one. Which shape has how many sides? So first of all, circle. Circle has no any sides. So here options are given 1, 0 and 2. You can see this. The options are given. So we have to choose the correct number, that how many sides that shape has. So circle has no any sides. So we are going with the 0. That circle has no any sides. Then the next one, square shape. So square shape has how many sides? Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So square shape has 4 sides. So let's circle on the number 4. Because the square has 4 sides, we can see in the picture. Then the triangle. So triangle has how many sides? 1, 2 and here is 3. So we have to circle on the 3 number because triangle has 3 sides. Then the next one, rectangle. So how many sides does the rectangle have? Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle also has 4 sides. So we have to circle on the 4 number because rectangle has 4 sides. Then the next one, the diamond shape. How many sides does the diamond shape have? So let's count that how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Diamond shape has 4 sides. So we have to circle on the number 4. Then the next one, oval shape. It's also looking like a circle. So if circle has no any sides, then same oval does not have any sides. So we have to circle on 0. Then the next one, pentagon. As per the name, it has 5 sides, 5 corners also. So it has the 5 sides. If you count, it has 5 sides only. Let's count. 1, 2, here is 3, here is 5 and the last one is 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. Then the next one, hexagon. How many sides does the hexagon has? How many sides? So as per the name hexagon, hexagon has 6 sides. So we have to circle on 6 number because hexagon has 6 sides. And the last one, which is the star, it has 5 edges and each has 2 sides. So star has 10 sides. So we have to circle on the number 10. Now the next one, identify and color the correct shape. You have to read the name of the shape and you have to color on the correct shape. So first of all, here is circle. So from this row you have to identify which shape is circle shape and you have to color it. So let's color the circle shape. Here you can see I color it in blue color. Now the rectangle. Next one is a rectangle shape. So which is the rectangle shape from this given shapes? You have to identify the rectangle shape and you have to color it. You can see I color the rectangle in blue. This is the rectangle shape. Now the next one, which is a square shape. So students, from the given 4 shapes, you have to identify which shape is a square shape and you have to color it. Whatever color you have to like, but you have to color the proper and correct shape. So I color it in blue color. So this is the square shape. Now the next one, here is the star. So from the given 4 shapes, you have to identify which shape is a star and you have to color that shape. So let's see this. Here is the star. You can see I color blue in the star. Then the next one, heart shape. So from the given 4 shapes, you have to identify which is the heart shape and you have to color it. This way you can see I color it blue. You can color it by your choice also. I am coloring it blue. All the shapes in the same color. Then the next one, triangle. From the given shape, which is the triangle, we have to color it. So this way we can color it. This is very interesting game also. You can call it an interesting worksheet. Then the next one, oval. From the given shape, we have to find an oval shape and color it by your choice. I'll color all the shapes in the same color, blue color. So this way you have to complete this worksheet. This is very interesting, students. Now the next one, shape coloring. So what is the heading? Let's read it first. Color in each shape according to the chart. So here you have to read the chart that you have to color triangle in the red color, square you have to color in blue, rectangle will be green and oval will be in yellow. So this way we have to color through the chart. So first of all, let's color the triangle in red. First of all, this is the triangle. I color it red. Second is also a triangle. I color it red. You can see I color both the triangles in a red color. Then let's start coloring the rectangle shape, which is in green color. You can see rectangle is equal to green. So we have to color this rectangle green. First rectangle is complete. Let's color the another rectangle. Here is also a rectangle. I'll color it green. This all are the rectangles. So we have to color it green. This way one green color rectangle. This is also a green color rectangle. This is a rectangle and here is the rectangle. This way we have to color it green. Understood this? Now let's color square. Square we have to color it blue. I don't have that color, so I'll do it in green, but you have to make this color blue. And the final, I'll just make my choice color in the blue, but you have to make the circle in yellow color. Understood, students? Now let's learn some solid shapes. What we have to do? We have to learn some solid shapes. Let's start. Understood what is the meaning of the solid shapes, how it looks, what is the name of that shapes. This is our today's topics, that the solid shapes. In the previous lecture, in the revision, we are learning the basic shapes we use in the regular routine life. We are using these shapes, but now we are going to learn about some solid shapes. So let's start the solid shapes. First of all, a sphere. This is the solid shape. It looks like a ball, but you can call it sphere. This way you can identify this is the picture of the sphere. So you can call it a sphere. It's looking like that. This is the whole bowl. You can see this here, this way. So it's a sphere looking like a ball and also looking like a circle also. Then the next shape is cone. This is also a solid shape, right? You can see here the 3 pictures of the cone and you can call it a solid shape. You can just add in the category of solid shapes. These 3 pictures are there which are in cone shape, right? Then the next shape is cylinders. This is the cylinder shape. You can see this. See this, here is the shape. Very clearly you can see this. These all shapes are cylinder shape. Different shapes are there of the cylinder. Main cylinder in yellow color, that's a big cylinder shape. but you can see very small cylinder shapes also in this picture. These all are the solid cylinder shape. Now let's see the next one, which is a cube. Cube has a vertex. You can call this lines a vertex. Sleeping line you can call a vertex. That edges, which is the standing line, and you can call inside sleeping line the edges. How many edges has the shapes? So you can call the edges. Now here is the pyramid shape. It's looking like a triangle, but if you see, you can just watch like pyramid. So it's a pyramid shape. It's very interesting shapes are there. That's all are basic shapes, but this is the solid shapes. You can see the back side also. You can see the back sides of the shapes. So you can call it a solid shape. In every shape you can see the back side. Here is the front side, but you can call it a back side also. You can see in the picture the back side of the shape. So you can call it a solid shape. So here is the pyramid, you can see now. Now here is the next shape. This is the one game, cuboid. You can call it a cuboid, one type of cuboid it is. This is an example of cuboid. Now here is some chart of the 3D shapes. Here is the pyramid shape that we had learned. Here is a cube. This is sphere, triangular. Whenever you find the back side of the shapes, you can call it a solid shape, and you can also call it a 3D shape also. Hexagon, cylinder, cone. These all are the example of the 3D shape. You can call it a 3D shape, or also you can call it a solid shapes. This way it looks. Now students, let's learn what is the meaning of shapes that roll and what is the meaning of shapes that slides. Do you understood? Whenever we throw the ball, it rolls. Do you understood? Whenever we throw the ball on the surface of the floor, it rolls. But whenever you just throw one like eraser, sharpener, it not rolls, it slides. It slides easily. Its surface is very soft, right? So it will slide, but whenever you throw any bottle, it will roll. But bottle must be in the circle shape. If bottle is in the square shape, it will be not roll. It's just a slide. Whenever the shape is in a rectangle or a square shape, it will just a slide. But whenever it's in oval shape, in circle shape, in cone shape, in cylinder shapes, that shapes are roll. But some shapes only will slide, like rectangle, triangle, square. That all shapes will slide only. That shapes will not roll. We will see some examples of this thing, shapes which rolls and slides in the next lecture. But I am just telling you what is the meaning of rolls and what is the meaning of slides. Whenever you throw bottle on the floor, it will roll. But whenever you throw book, it will not roll. Your book is not in circle shape, right? So you have to just know about rolls and slides, which things are slides and which things are rolls. You have to just do more and more revision of these things, that which things are in roll shape, which is will slide. So I have one thing for you. See this. This is the 3D shape chart. So first of all, cube. Does it roll? Cube will not roll. So I am saying here no. That cube shape will not roll on the floor. But it is a slide. Does it slide? Yes. If you throw on the floor a book, suppose we are just imagine the book. If you throw book on the floor, it will slide. It will not roll. Understood this? Now the next shape is sphere. Sphere means any circle shape. It's maybe a ball, bowl, something like this way. So it will roll on the floor. Understood, students? Now, so suppose dish you have into your home, you are eating in your dish. If you throw the dish, it will slide, it will not roll. But if you throw the glass, so it will roll. I am just giving you the example which things will roll and which things will slide, right? So here is the sphere are there. So does it roll? So I am just writing here yes. So sphere shapes will roll, but it's not slide. Sphere shape does not slide. Understood this, students? Now the next is a pyramid shape. So pyramid has a sides. So which shape has sides? It will not roll. So here does it roll? I am saying no. Which shape has sides? It will not roll. So here I am saying does it slides? So I am saying yes. Because pyramid has sides, so it will slide, not a roll. Then the next one, cylinder. Cylinder shapes, sometimes it slides. It depends on the shape, which shape it is. Sometimes it's a gas cylinder, so it will roll. But sometimes it's a heart shape. It has corners, edges. It has a side, so it will not roll. It depends. It's also maybe sometimes slides. It's also sometimes maybe rolls. It comes in the both the ways. That cylinder shape. Then the next one, rectangular prism. You can call it a solid square. You can call. So it will not rolls, but it also not a slides because it has so many edges. It will not slide or it will also not a roll. Then the next one, which is the cone shape. So cone maybe sometimes rolls or also sometimes slides. It depends. So I write both the things yes or no. In the both the things it's a roll or it's not a roll. That both things are will come in this. Now the next one, I will show you something about the 3D shapes or solid shapes. You can call the front side, you can call it a face of the particular shape. Here you can see the cube shapes are there, which is a rectangle. So this is the front side of this shape, you can call it a face. This is the face. Then the below side of the shape, you can call it the edges, and here you can see through the red arrow, you can call it the corners. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So many corners are there, but it is just information. We will learn about more in the next pictures. Here is the cube. It has the 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Here is the face. These types of 6 faces are there. These types of edges are 12 and these types of corner will 8. From the cube has, this is very important information there. Then the cuboid. Cuboid also has the same thing. 6 faces, 12 edges and 4 corners are there. Then the cylinder shapes have 3 faces this way. Cylinder shape has 3 faces, then 2 curved sides. Here is 1 and here is 2. That curved sides, 2 curved sides does the cylinder has, and 0 corners. It has no any corners. Then the pyramid. Pyramid has 5 faces this way. You can see the face. So pyramid has this types of 5 faces. This types of 8 edges and this types of 5 corners are there. Then the cone shapes. Cone shapes has 2 faces, 1 curved edge. Here you can see at the below side and 1 corner. Here you can see 1 corner are there. So some different shapes has its own shapes, edges and faces are there. We have to make list of this. You have to write down this thing into your fair book must, and this is compulsory to you all. Now the sphere, it's look like a circle. So it has a 1 curved face, no any edges and no any corner. Does the circle or sphere shape has. Understood this? Now thank you so much students for watching this video. You have to write down this thing into your fair book, must. We will meet in the next lecture. So till the stay safe, stay home students. Bye bye. Thank you so much.